Hi my dear pharmacy friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, in this video we are going to see a walk-in interview at APL HCL Unit 4. So coming to the venue, APL HCL Unit 4, Naidupeta, Andhra Pradesh. My dear friends, this is a walk-in on Sunday 2nd July from 9 a.m. onwards. So coming to the department-wise vacancies, quality control for executive 2 to 8 years. MSc is the qualification for quality assurance 2 to 8 years, Bpharm or Mpharm. For OSD packing technician 2 to 6 years, ITA or diploma. For warehouse technician 2 to 6 years, any degree can apply. So the area of expertise is mentioned here, so please go through it and utilize the opportunity. So these are the details regarding the vacancies from Aurobindo, my dear friends. So if you like the information and continue to receive the job updates in the future, also subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel for getting regular job updates. Thank you.